So I'm Carly Woods. I'm part of the UWS section of Breath, the University of the West of Scotland. And my research focuses on particulate matter and potential health impacts in a semi-rural environment. So we focus on air pollution, and it's one of the greatest environmental threats currently facing the global population, with those with respiratory conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease being most at risk. Currently, studies focus on urban locations and determine correlation between air pollution and COPD exacerbation pathogenesis. This study is focused on semi-rural regions, such as Dumfries and Galloway and Ayrshire and Arran, because these are COPD hotspots. So this study focuses on determining the potential for airborne pollutants to contribute to COPD pathogenesis. And we were going to measure the potential for this through air monitoring in these regions. And we found that levels were not elevated above EU and World Health Organization regulations. And additionally, current studies suggest that air pollution within the different areas change within composition. And we found this in our when we sampled a typical urban and semi-rural environment. Further, when we studied the effects of a common ubiquitous pollutant, which was diesel engine particulates, we found that it had the potential to stimulate pro-inflammatory cytokines and also activated COPD-relevant pro-inflammatory cell surface protein PAR2, protease-activated receptor 2, and this was indicated by calcium mobilization in human bronchial epithelial cells. And then this was inhibited by a PAR2 antagonist, AZ8838. I was interested in the Breath programme because I thought that it was a really interesting project. I was really excited about the opportunity to be able to work with a PhD group where everybody had specialisations, but we all looked at chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and everybody shared their expertise. And I was also interested in the cross-partnership collaboration with Queen's University Belfast and the Knock Institute of Technology. During the time at the PhD, I attended key workshops and courses, and I went to Society for Environmental Geochemistry and Health conference in 2019. For this, I had an oral presentation and I received an award for excellence in this. I also attended the Irish Thoracic Society meeting twice, once in 2019 and once in 2020. And I attended the annual Breath conferences, started 2019, going on to 2021, and I received an award for excellence in oral presentation in 2020. I also attended the European Respiratory Society International Congress in 2021, and I was an invited speaker at the Clean Air Day 111 webinar event. Additionally, I developed other skills at my time in Breath. So I worked on my data analysis skills because I had to analyse large air pollution data sets, and also effective communication. So I produced newsletters and I input project-specific interviews that were hosted by Environmental Protection Scotland. My most memorable moments have been every moment shared with my fellow Breath colleagues. They really have made the experience truly noteworthy and have really added to my experience here at Breath. And my current and future plans, I'm planning to complete the PhD programme and then progress into industry. I'm currently starting a role as a research assistant here with my current group within the University of the West of Scotland.